How to know if someone blocked you on Textnow. So, in general, most messaging apps or softwares doesn't really show you the people who blocked you specifically. And if you think someone blocked you on Textnow, there isn't a direct way to confirm it, since the app does not send notifications when you're blocked or any kind of indicator, but there are signs. So, if your messages consistently go unanswered despite previously active conversations, or your calls go straight to voicemail every time without ringing normally, it could indicate that your number has been blocked. In some cases, you might also see message delivery failures or carrier error responses, though this doesn't always mean you're blocked. That said, these signs are not definite proof, so they're not something you can go ahead and say you are blocked 100%, since the same behavior can happen or the person's phone is turned off. They have no signal, they deleted the app, or they changed their number, those kinds of stuff. So one practical way to test is by contacting them from a different number, and if your message or call goes through from another number but not yours, there is a strong chance that you've been blocked. Otherwise, there's no official black status feature in TextNow to confirm it with certainty. But those are a few things in mind if you want to go ahead and know if you have been blocked in TextNow. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.